In this tutorial, I will be sharing with you how to build your online shop at Etsy. I am sure after this video my viewers will be able to start their own online shop at Etsy and understanding the basic tactics for your Etsy shop. In this video, we are going to cover the questions which stops you to start an online shop. If you are still thinking, how do I sell on Etsy without money? How to select products for Etsy shop? Are Etsy store profitable for me? Blah 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 blah. Don't worry guys, you will get detailed information in this video, so let's start without wasting more time. If you want to start your business on Etsy, so you must understand what is Etsy. Here I will share with you some information about Etsy. Etsy is one of the global marketplaces for unique products. Accordingly, Etsy's statistics in 2021, the number of active buyers reached around 90 million. Interestingly, there are currently 5.2 million active sellers on the website. Etsy recorded 132% increase in sales compared with the same quarter last year. Sales for Etsy.com are $2.7 billion annually, up from $2.4 billion and almost 12.5% increase in the last year. You may earn a handsome amount if you are selling on Etsy. You will be surprised to hear that Etsy seller may earn on average 44,380 annually, but only if you will select the right product niche. Guys, the majority of buyers come from to purchase items that they might not find anywhere else. As per research, 70 to 80% buyers are women. There are male sellers and male products available, but the majority of the buyers are women under the age of 18 to 35. Etsy has sellers from 234 countries, but the majority of buyers come from the United States. So your product should be unique and remember the Etsy audience while selecting your product for Etsy. Let's move over the screen to know how Etsy works. Now we are on Etsy.com. On the header, you will see a long search bar where you can find items by keywords. Here are primary categories. When you will move your mouse on each categories, it will show you subcategories as well. There are multi subcategories available under each categories. So this navigation will help you to reach your target product niche more convenient. As you know, Etsy always support independent sellers and their unique products. On the bottom of the page, you will see a section Discover Unique Handpicked Items. Under this section, Etsy showcase trendy unique product for buyers, so you can directly pick your desired items under this section. Under the Shop or Selection, you can find gift and personalized items for your loved ones. Under the description, you will get further details about videos such as material, product, dimension, etc. etc. It seems very simple product that you can also try to make it with your own creativity. And also if you will scroll down, you will get more similar product ideas available that will give you more ideas.